everyone, it's me, Zombie, and today we have a very special guest. We have Adam here with me.
That's my name.
From the hit cosplay show Master and Apprentice, and also my boyfriend. We live together. Yeah.
In the same place.
In the same place.
Fancy that.
Can you believe that? Today we got something very spooky and Halloween themed and fun planned.
Last year we did a spooky cosplay video where we went and bought a lot of costumes, and that turned out to be expensive. So we thought, what would be a fun Halloween themed video that wasn't expensive?
And we decided to do the thrift store vampire challenge. This isn't like a thing, this is just kind of something I came up with and I thought it sounded really fun.
It's a great idea.
We went to our local thrift store and we picked out an outfit for each other. Now we kind of came up with like a backstory for our vampire character that we made for each other, and we made a complete outfit from head to toe.
Yeah, the idea was, she said, we're each going to pick out a vampire costume from each other, but it can be whatever type of vampire you want.
Yeah, so I mean, pretty much anything. It could have been like an 1800s vampire, it could have been like a What We Do in the Shadows vampire. I
love you.
Nothing. Oh, she's so cute.
Bye, sweetie. You want to come back?
Oh. Nothing was off limits, so we had a really fun time creating characters for each other. So we're going to show you the stuff that we got today, get into our costumes, and be cool vampires. So of course we can't do a vampire video without having vampire teeth. So I got an assortment of different sized vampire teeth that we're gonna pick out and put on, because why not? It's Halloween, might as well be vampires for the whole video.
These are not actual vampire teeth. No vampires were hurt making this video.
That's really important. Cruelty free. Don't come after us. So we have three sizes. We have little baby vampire teeth, big boy vampire teeth, and like medium sized vampire teeth. What size do you want?
Well, I'm a big boy, so I might just do the big ones.
Big boy vampire teeth for a big boy. You got it. And I am gonna choose. I have my medium vampire teeth. Adam has his big boy vampire teeth. So we're gonna go put on our vampire teeth and kind of explain what we picked out for each other.
Yeah, why don't we bring back the stuff that we bought, we'll show it off, and then we'll get into our costumes.
So at the snap of our fingers, we will have vampire teeth in. 1, 2, 3. All right, we have our teeth in.
Blah!
Blah!
They feel weird. Fun to rub your lip on it.
Okay, Adam, so I'm gonna give you your clothes. I'm gonna go get them real quick.
All right.
I don't think you could be a vampire full time, Adam. You're having a hard time.
Talking? Yeah, it's very hard.
All right, so I have your vampire clothes here, and I kind of want to give you like the vibes that I'm going for. So I'm kind of thinking like What We Do in the Shadows, like being human, like 1970s flashback. You're like a vampire in the late 70s, but you're not like a hippie vampire. You're like a cool guy vampire. So I wanted to incorporate like some bright colors, but also like some darks and some interesting accessories.
I'm loving this jacket.
Yeah, so
avocados in the inside. What are those?
I don't know what these are, but it's really cool print on the inside.
Yeah.
So I have like this corduroy jacket, and it's got these neat patches on the elbows.
Ooh,
I love them.
sick.
I love this. It's kind of like a brownish black color, and it does have some accessories in the pockets, so you can go ahead, go through the pockets, and pull them out.
Oh boy. Oh, these are cool. Holy shit. Yo.
There's one more thing
Okay.
in here. I just thought that was like very 70s vibes, kind of.
Do you know that like nightmare you have when you're a person and your teeth start falling out?
When you're a person,
And,
or
and your teeth start falling out?
Yeah, you
can
can
see it under the...
Oh no, you kind of can't see it under your beard. Oh no.
That's
oh,
alright.
well, that's
This is
fine.
pretty awesome. This is very... I get what you're going for now.
Yeah.
Alright. So, we got a corduroy jacket. What else you got?
I've got these black jeans. I just thought they were cool. They have like a cool wash on them. And I wanted a pop of color too. Here is a yellow shirt. I just thought it was adorable, and I know vampires want to be all like low profile and wear black and stuff, but I thought this would just look really cool with like the orange glasses, the chain, and then the black, you know,
I love it.
entourage. So
I kind of feel like I'm gonna look awesome.
yeah, I think you're gonna look really cool.
I'm gonna get yours real quick.
Yay!
Give me one moment.
I am kind of nervous because I looked over my shoulder at the thrift store and he had some very questionable things, so I don't really know what's coming.
All right, so vampire movies. What's the best one? Twilight.
Oh no!
I was thinking maybe you would be like a gothy punk vampire from Twilight.
Oh man!
Let's start with a
Okay.
couple things. This is the first thing. This felt different before I watched it. This is sort of like I don't know. What is this, like a corset shirt?
Oh wow!
This is gonna be great. I think this. I don't know what this was. I just could not buy it. Everything at the thrift store is like $3. This is like some lace thing. You put that over that.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Now you're getting it. Need little frills on that.
Yeah. Oh
Yeah.
man.
Obviously, got some tight black pants. These are very tight. They're black.
Oh boy. This is gonna be an adventure. They do have like a stretchy top, so I think we're gonna be okay.
Then I got you this badass black jacket. It has a nice print.
That
sort of
actually
like
is
crushed
really-
velvet. It's kind of badass.
It's really cool. I like that a lot, actually.
So it's all black right now, and that's normal for you're a goth.
Yeah.
You have a white wig, but hold on.
So you're envisioning this with like a white wig.
I'm totally envisioning.
Okay.
All right. So as a vampire, a goth vampire, you have to have black lipstick.
Okay.
So I bought you some NYX.
Oh, you got me nice lipstick.
Of
Thank
course.
you.
I don't cheap out. And then as a goth punk vampire, you must have some studs.
Oh my
Some leather belt with
gosh.
some accenting.
This is bringing me back to my goth days.
But even better, a studded choker.
Oh my god.
And what would a goth vampire be without a couple piercings? So I got you some.
Yes.
These are fake hoop piercings. They can go in your lips and your nose, which is what I envision.
Okay.
There's like 5 of them though, so you can play around and be your best self. The best part of this whole costume though is these badass halfway up the knee boots.
Oh my god. Dude, these are kind of badass.
They're awesome, right?
They're so
And they were
cool.
$12.99.
I think I'm gonna dress you up first, because I have some plans for you.
Okay.
You ready to be a vampire?
What?
Alright, so here you are as
Hey,
your...
I don't know what I. Hey.
You look awesome. I really like this look. I love this vibe.
I actually like it. No, I do. You got quite a bit of chest hair going on now.
Super cool. I feel like as soon as you put it on, you kind of like had like your little character. And it was really awesome.
All right, so I'm gonna stay in this for a little bit, but we should get you into your vampire. I forgot. There's one other accessory. Some color.
Oh, boy.
Some suspenders.
For $4.
All right, why don't you get into your costume?
Alright, we're gonna be cool vampires. Transition time. Before we continue, I just wanted to take the time to say thank you so much for my Patreon supporters. You guys make videos like this possible. Thank you for being so awesome. If you're interested in seeing behind the scenes cosplay, early pictures of all my costumes, early videos, and more, go over to patreon.com/zombiesworkshop and I hope to see you over there. Now back to the show. so good. You
Dude,
did such a good job.
You look awesome, dude.
I feel awesome. I feel like a vampire. Like, you did an outstanding job. Everything you picked out is just like so vampire vibes.
You get it? It's like goth vampire work.
Yeah, but I'm not feeling like Twilight vampire. I'm feeling like, I don't know, something
You can do
cooler.
whatever cool goth vampire you want.
Yeah, this is amazing. And I love the white hair with like the dark clothes. I think it looks so cool.
Yeah, man.
You did a great job. I'm so impressed.
I think we did. This is a fun project. I kind of like the idea of picking each other outfits out.
Yeah, it's a lot of fun. Especially like vampires. It's just something so different. I've never seen it before. And it's like spooky and fun. This was a lot of fun to do. Thanks for doing this with me.
Of course, thanks for having me, dude.
Well, let's go and wreak havoc and go conquer the night and whatever vampires do. I'll go glitter somewhere, I guess. But thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys end up buying each other vampire costumes and dressing up, I would love to see it. My Instagram and Twitter are both the same. They're both at Zombies Workshop, so I can't wait to see you over there. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked the video, consider hitting that subscribe button because we would love to see you back. Bye everyone!
Blah.
Blah!